This is the S8 LCD screen, the new version for Samsung. So we put it here on the LCD freezer machine. Before you're doing separation by the freezer machine, you can use the hot plate to help you to remove the front housing frame. And after that, you put the LCD screen in the freezer machine and separate the cracked glass from LCD screen. S8 is also the curved glass as well. When you separate it, you just start from one corner and use a plastic card to help. But make sure that you just separate from the cracked glass layer. Okay, so it is separated. Next, we will remove to glue remover. After the LCD screen becomes normal temperature, we put it on a hot plate to heat up first, and then remove the glue manually. It will take time for you to remove the glue. But this is a kind of skillful work, so need more patience. Remove it little by little. Yeah, until you remove all the glue. After doing cleaning, we will use this new mold to do alignment for the glass with LCD screen. See here, this new mold, it has 3 sets together. This new mold is our own design, and it is more easier and more accurate compared with the ones you can find in the market. Okay, this is the OLED film for S8. Put it in the alignment mode first. The middle part, the yellow one in the middle part, that is the sticker, so it will stick the OLED film on the mold to make it get more accurate alignment. And this is the lamination. Put it together, make sure the OLED film will get in the correct position. This is another part for the alignment for glass. Also in the middle, that is the sticker, which will stick the glass on the mold so it will not shift. The ones you can buy in the market, that the mold does not have any sticker on the mold, so usually after you do alignment, sometimes there is the shifted issue. But by using this mold, it will not have this kind of issue. And using these 3 modes, you can skip the film laminating machine. Okay, and then put together like this. Put it in our OC vacuum laminator. You can increase the pressure and the vacuum time a little higher. This OC vacuum laminator will work with the vacuum pump and the air compressor. All are external, so it will give more powerful strength for the machine to do edge series. Wait around 20 seconds. Okay, it's done. So the OC film is laminated on the glass, and you take it out to see no bubbles. But it is better for you to put it in the bubble remover machine to remove to make sure there is no bubbles at all. The time you can just set like 3 or 4 minutes. Putting the OCF film on glass, there will be no bubble issue. So we will be back later. See the time here. Four minutes. We'll be back later. I'll shift it to the other side. This is the LCD screen for S8. It cleaned already. Okay, he's using the alignment mode to put the LCD screen on the lamination mode and put it in the correct position. Make sure the screen is clean enough. Okay, we will wait for this one to be ready here. Now it is around 3 minutes and we need to wait for another 1 minute. And this bubble removal machine, each time you can put around 30 pieces or 50 pieces together. Just need to extend the time to maybe 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And it works with the external air compressor. So these two machines, you can share just one air compressor. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's perfect. And then we will put this part together with the LCD screen. Put it with the alignment of mode for OCA and the glass. And then put together. Because the mold, it has sticker on the middle, so the glass will not fall off. And you put it together to do alignment with the mold together, and then doing lamination in the laminate machine. The height of the mold, it is around 22 millimeter. So you will need to make sure if your laminate machine will fit for this height. Almost no bubbles, but then we can put it in the bubble remover machine. Okay, we'll be back later. 4 minutes is over. We will open the door and see. Okay, the result, it is perfect. And because you apply the OCA on glass, so there will be no rebubble issue. Okay, it's done.